ebusion for asemaba. Because it's Ghana for they are asking really tough questions, hard questions. Yeah, really tough. And the kind of questions Ghana for are asking, me, this is this cry. Yeah, I don't even know how to come and report because me cry me shame when I hear some of the questions, some of the analysis. So Ghana need to be some say, yeah, papa mo as of foi. I want to be say na kupon ni omu kasa. Anya kupon to me the next president echire omu. Yes sir. Na ye bisa ye see, me bisa ye papa Kofi Oduro any the Akika no. Say. Na se Nyankopon to me ye the next president echire omu. Na sa small boys a omu ye sim fraudy. Eba ne se na mun temi free aban ka cha aban se aban mo ko area we mu ko fo no ha mo ko ha ebi su wa mo ko ha ebi su wa say possible. Those are the actual ways of helping Omaino when you mean nipa. Yeah, those are the actual ways that you can help our country. You can help us save money because they say I can Sam George see or the 240 million Ghana cedis registration. As for Sam George saw the 240 million. SIM registration, re-registration. Then I see fraud for. Now, 240 million cry. Yeah, for 10 million. Emma so for. No maintenance now my locations address. Say you call her, you walk 2 way. You call her, you walk 2 way. My locations now. Was 240 million. They need to scan bill. You need be. Yeah, and killer and tia. After I ever establish a stubborn academy. No. Stubborn academy. No. Say St. George, a brother now mo tia academy. No. Or more handing over. And after I yen be establish a stubborn academy. AKA yen TOBia. AKA do your worst. AKA no bagawaya. Enti media my mama advice. Say ebe ya. Sebe ya muma yani eye asofofo no enye meeting mbo na sa meeting na ye asofofo be ye no eno an se ye ma asofofo no ye ma omu 10 million Ghana cedis na ye ma omu 10 million Ghana cedis na o makwa ko bompa e kira kom aye fasting ehun se hinfa na sa fraud guys etie right. Now, I'm to me who I could point you no match your address now because about me and that room, as I say, your GPS. They say, if you be our Ghana, our address. If you be our Ghana, our address. And to the moment, if you be our Ghana, our address, pay no. And to and you feel about a bre say, oh, Debbie. A bre be any same way. No bre in this matter. So, this what Ghanaians are saying. Now, the moment people start asking some of these serious questions, thought-provoking questions, just know, say, there is a risk. Say, people want to leave churches. Yeah. When people start asking pertinent questions, thought-provoking questions about religion, if you don't get a proper answer for them, no. And I'll study the trend and say a lot of people are leaving the churches. Especially churches for the churches that general overseers, Eddie politics be. It is a say services track congregation ni bio. They be na camera no say, pastor no so say. Person because they know say behind the air empty. Obiamba. Obiaba jina ketu yao. Adodi Nyankopon. Ara musuru. Munda. So long as adodi nyakopon eti ase de. No bagawaya. Obi abeji ni pay. Ebusianfo, let's go and listen to what Ghanaians think about this. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.
The same for a demonstration on the one man there. I lost them me bam lie or life me say disabled for not the event could for program be more every 6 months we are disabled community wa mo show no mo de waba no be say within and then now bet me aye e be was pe container and a fridge e be was pe provision shop in some ways at we na mo Mahama ba ye 60 months aye ko mu say onye bi e ma we te no ma test kuma omo ye demonstration etia It would be Barbara, my sebi, I refuse so on mobile. Mubatia, na lip for so atiesim. Motimengan. I did that. Miss, Mubatia, na lip for so atiesim. I am Bafoni Cocrafuna, go for a so could form him. I only sit not on your be our quite be a fibia. I was maybe out the mouth. We are pro one wakoje. Miss also on the buy almost 11 months on San Kaya. Meet Mubatia now also in Brafuna Tiesim. Miss na NPP now Mubaga now. Better say young communicators no more weak. Into almost mean can my MPP I am a Ghana. And so and that gentleman buy there Mugusu El Musu. Mugusu because and then Miss and then the for air campaign tiao. I'm here demonstration tiao. So I tell me can was there any lies no. Sadik there any lies no. Many me say I'm free baby be free zongo. Sadik e be free zongo. Sa so be free baby say me am nuanom. Ho na be free aba. Cause we ya done first almost slaves. You see ya na ma dampie. Oba kon the fear Sadik oba kon the fear no. Ni na ma so NDC so da dot dem. We catch you. Obako bisanze officer bi ka dey nti na wa NDC obaka se ni maami ya NDC no be toso nti na woni wodem obako ni fia eye free education e ba ina dey nwa bako bia uri nye obi e wa school ono obako ni fie uri nye obi e wa school ono pastor na adu we na oba ye enu mpo ena nsa akwa na nko hye no sa failure account sa podanfo na mutaka be ka se wo me abodanfo ne we for ni yemanyama no nuanum ka ho bi inka mini na inka me see your mama because wa question mo upbringing your mama si ma boboda na mugu fie timutimi ntitim ba yie obehwe nkofo mo yi wo mo na before ko lan kwa na kom because ye de yesua de ya dwen da wo mo tren ya de yie nti the mama si mo mba no o ma boboda o mo ye kokefo o mo ye wifo cause I want Mr. John Jamani mama so I fine. I am fine nibi. I am fine and ka parliament aka tell say I can go to 720 money for 13,000. I am fine ka have some nana. I am fine do or share that's the dark shade now. Oh you say mboa. Cause I know pe mboa de nkwa na oye. Me say Ghana for mama ye nem bring na the man mama say all the Sada 10th edition Ghana. The whole quiet northern region look at Muso. Now where are they ba? Sada, what's the Sada Ghana bium? What is Sada Ghana bium? Or 10th edition. And Abuna Ghana, they are called brown crop straight. They see cap any about Kumia cry. Northern region, they are quapo, Boka. Indian so Muso. Now where the whole Ghana? Who they call the whole Ghana? They woo. Ye woo. Nebushan for me bisa say opebrim ye diandua opebrim ye diandua John Dramani mama ye wra opebrim ye diandua opebrim o the first ka tell say openinti oboka na oboa ye di ntumo mo say mo the first ye the be hia mo baby am be feel be bomb book for boot because ye won say prefer jam mama daga na phone mo to mama she nyama ku for the year she afford house is ku for the sea ye Kokumasa ma ko hine de odi nkwasa sa ko hine wo. Hey wade yam yen yam be ma be yen pam be ma bo nu ye o etie papa. In Colonna was on go say odu ye street art no ref say ku for the won go school ana. E ku for the won go school. Ref yana. One kasa okra mampo na ufi on e ku for the mampo hospital mam ni district hospital. You can one kasa ku for the one na ku for the product no. Oba de na why wo makọ hene. Kotek affordable assistance ku for the CCC one. Then na NDC ba mayama Asante region. Muko districts different districts na muko hono ma muka say MP ye be say mo say nyama na my yesi wono ayamo na mbe ya na dondo na ko ya na ukos the constituencies and district na ya mukike mo say ye projects na sisi wono mama sisi no be say mo say Akufo Addo ana Lord din na ko sisi wana me be sam munhia dia munye munhia de no adeda 111 dodo na kopia mo go Kumase eza ne nse mu ye bonia ye fu a mu ye mpesa mbebo ga na bronti no mo say se mo complete agenda 111 na and mo ye mbeko ma ba community mo twaso mo nye ba dodo na Kumase ma ko hini e wadwe ko hoya na wadwe ne enko hoya na kroma na e wona Akufo Addo ba ekoye painti e che Ghana fo oko pretty bridge as che Ghana fo mu super baba we say asa hey Ghana fo in fact ni kwe ameni ye comedy sampa that to the man mama 18 year Christian awuni onya Christian awuni enya e fence akọ ya dabo no e na akọ na papa mu to church na papa ko ta na papa ma pa the sense sai ni go plan kwan big quest and no you Jimmy for but is beautiful no some dem we comedy
Kwaku menu kan.
Kwaku menu YK ni na left yenya one na kan cuz some you comedian no me bom boost Ghana for your comedians no me ye na munya esa ka ma kwani e first minister who am kwani me see agenda 111 ukrob one e wo pa and then why you found don't me catch say what is sound corner go all the why then na why onya hwie Jimmy na odimi Jimmy ese ma obentoa yes saw ese di yansa saw cuz Jimmy na do so yam into bi anu kra na efemu ba onna ti kra na nemu eyensanka ye beyam abadam fu benya ya refa be go compensation na mu Jimmy wo no cuz mo na ma bobodam iti no muntaka dem misi papa no ye ntu ne ntu no chi na ko so ka no kre osu ma bobodam papa bi eni ndisi mu first time in tiasi dem fi say spiritual battle bi na mo face but papa no be can the physical truth at tell say ma bobodam ya kronfo mu ni yanse bia mo ya fana mu hwe de ye control mu me see nka bet ma ye anka day of election say NDC funu ko go kedi o baby na e ma yan sa funu ko to aba e to aba ni wi na e fa be frem because mo kan na Ghana ko na echi e me bia Ghana ko na mo twiye san mo twi Ghana akọ na chi na me ze mo say ye power 10 ya say power 10 table na 10 the best one we best symbolize it double in the bonnet the mako good one cause mo keni pound me di manuel si no na me catch am say sim card ni register yere nko ba bia na Sam Dodge pia ombra number be cause me tell me Ghana card send this out you Ghana card eh esla o se bi me Ghana card o ombre so me ni Ghana card go catch am say mami nko register Ghana card na enye but say what na register Ghana card how buy sim card there enye me ni Ghana card me ntimi nko register na wonnim na wotwam nso a me ntonya me say the boss me twi me to sama o eye